Hey Explorer, this is Matilda and welcome back to Matilda Tour channel. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of Qeshm Island, and trust me, you won't want to miss a moment of this magical journey. But before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to check out our previous video where we shared tips on how to travel to Qeshm Island by car. The link is right up there, so give it a watch, please. Alright folks, let's kick things off with a visit to the charming Bandar Laft. This place is like stepping back in time with a fascinating historical sites and bustling local culture. So grab your backpacks and let's explore together. Now, who would have thought that this ancient Tala Wells, dating back to the Sasanian era, would hold such tale of ingenuity? It's incredible to think that these wells, once numbered 366, each representing a day of a year. Today, we are left with around 60 of them, but their history still resonating in every drop of water. One of the best parts of traveling is connecting with the locals. And let me tell you, these kids have stolen my heart. Their laughter is infectious and their stories, well, let's just say they've got some pretty epic tales to share.
نگو میخوام فیلم بردار ازتون
برو بالا
جاهای طلا 366 تا حلقه جاهه که به تعداد روزهای سالی کبیسه اون وقتا در یکی رو باز میکردن آب هست که برنشن گفتن ما طلا نمیخوام ما آب میخوام این قلعه است که اول افشار یادا خوش شدن آب پرتقالی برندادیم آب هم بارخانه مثل بافت جنب بافت اونو کبریسون پرتقالی عکس خارجی هم بلدن hello how are you fine thank you what's your name my name is Majid nice to meet you nice to meet you زندگی آزادی نه
thank you darling
بارون اومد و یادم داد تو زورت بیشتره ممکنه هر دفعه اونجوری که میخواستی پیش نره خاطر هم داره خوابو میگیره ازم دوری من دیگه ته دنیا قلبم نخ قله قافل من که تو زندگی هیشکی نیست چه دروغی دارم بگم آخه این همه دوری نباسه تو خوبه نه من طرف تو بارون نمیاد نمیشی دلتنگ زیاد میدونی چند وقت دلم تو رو میخواد اینجوری نکن با من این شوخی خوبی نیست من بی تو میمیرم با من
مرسی
آفرین دختر خوب
Next up, we are hopping aboard a boat for a journey through the enchanting HARA forest in Sohaili village. Picture this, towering mangrove trees, serene water, and the sweet melodies of local musicians filling the air. It's like something out of a dream. After adventuring, a hearty meal is definitely in order, and where better to indulge than Nakhoda Ali restaurant. Their fish and shrimp with rice is a local favorite, and trust me, every bite is pure bliss. And now it's time to kick back and relax at our cozy retreat calling hostel. The owner's hospitality is unmatched, and the tranquil atmosphere is just what we need to recharge for the rest of our journey. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting its golden globe across the sky, I can't help but feel grateful for a moment like this. Qeshm Island truly is a paradise, waiting to be explored. Well, my flu adventurers, that's a wrap on our unforgettable day in Qeshm Island. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. And don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and chasing those dreams.